Welcome to GadgetPod, where every review is backed by real use and tested insights. From smart tech to the latest gadgets, we bring you hands-on reviews you can trust. This is GadgetPod, tried and tested.
In today's video, we'll show you how to easily replace the batteries in your TP-Link Tapo Smart Sensors, Tapo T100 Motion Sensor, and later expanding to T110 Door Sensor and S200D Smart Button. Let's start with the Tapo T100 Motion Sensor. When your Tapo T100 battery drops to around 10–15%, you'll get a low battery alert in the Tapo app. Thanks to its low power consumption, the sensor can still last 1–2 months even after the alert. For peace of mind, you can replace the battery early if the sensor is in frequent use. Good thing is, you'll find detailed battery replacement instructions in the Tapo app, right along with the low battery alert. Our motion sensor has shown a low battery alert, so let's replace it. If your device is mounted using 3M adhesive, gently detach the main unit from the mounting bracket first. If it's placed on a magnetic surface, you can simply remove the entire sensor directly. A plastic shim is included in the package, but you can also use any thin plastic pick to gently lift the clip holding the cover in place. Gently insert the shim into the small clip opening to release the latch holding the cover. Once the latch is released, carefully rotate the cover anti-clockwise until it detaches from the main body of the sensor. You can also use your fingernail to gently lift the clip and release the cover. Just avoid applying too much force. The Tapo T100 Motion Sensor is powered by a CR2450 coin cell battery, a compact and long-lasting lithium battery commonly used in smart devices, remotes, and small sensors. When replacing it, always choose a reliable brand like Panasonic, Duracell, or Energizer to ensure stable performance and longer life. Also, avoid exposing the battery to oils or moisture, as this can interfere with proper contact and reduce its efficiency. Carefully take out the old battery from its slot using your fingers or a non-metallic tool. Avoid using sharp objects to prevent damaging the contacts inside the compartment. Make sure to note the battery's orientation before removal, as the new one should be inserted the same way. Before reattaching the back cover, let's quickly check if the battery replacement was successful. Open the Tapo app, and in the device list, you'll notice that the low battery indicator has disappeared, confirming the replacement worked. Place the cover back onto the device, aligning it properly with the body. Once aligned, rotate it counterclockwise until it clicks securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps and the cover sits flush to ensure proper sealing and protection. Let's change the battery in the Tapo S200D Smart Button. If your button has stopped responding or shows a low battery alert in the Tapo app, it's time to replace it. You can also find step-by-step battery replacement instructions right alongside low battery alert in the app. To open the button, turn it over and hold it firmly with one hand. With the other hand, rotate the back cover counterclockwise until it unlocks. Lift it gently to expose the battery compartment. The Tapo S200D Smart Button uses a CR2032 coin cell battery, a compact 3-volt lithium battery commonly used in small smart devices. Now, carefully remove the old battery using your fingers or a non-metallic tool. Avoid scratching the contacts or touching both sides of the new battery to keep it clean and efficient. Insert the new battery into the slot with the positive plus side facing up. Make sure it sits flat and securely in place. Before closing the cover, open the Tapo app to confirm the low battery indicator has disappeared. That means the replacement was successful. Place the back cover on, align it properly, and rotate it clockwise until it locks securely. Make sure the cover fits snugly and sits evenly on the button. Rest or rotate the button to make sure it's responding properly. You should see the link device or scene react in the Tapo app, confirming that the new battery is working. Once tested, your Tapo S200D Smart Button is ready to go, fully powered and back in action. Now let's replace the battery in the Tapo T110 Door Sensor. If your sensor has stopped updating its status or you've received a low battery alert in the Tapo app, it's time for a battery change. When the T110's battery level drops, you'll see a low battery notification in the app. If your door sensor is mounted with 3M adhesive, gently slide the main sensor body off its base. There's no need to remove the magnetic part. If it's placed using a magnetic surface, you can lift it off directly. Use a small screwdriver to gently loosen the screw holding the battery cover in place. Make sure to keep the screw in a safe spot so it doesn't get lost. Once the cover is open, carefully lift out the old battery from its slot using your fingers or a non-metallic tool. Avoid applying too much pressure or using sharp objects, as this could damage the battery contacts or internal components. Set the old battery aside safely for proper disposal later. Just like the Tapo Smart Button, the Tapo T110 Door Sensor uses a CR2032 coin cell battery, a 3-volt lithium battery known for its compact design, reliable performance, and long lifespan. In comparison, the Tapo T100 Motion Sensor uses a larger CR2450 battery, which offers a higher capacity and longer runtime due to its bigger size. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up. Make sure it sits flat and snug inside the holder. Reattach the sensor to its base or magnetic surface, ensuring it fits securely. Make sure the sensor and magnet are properly aligned for accurate operation. Now, open and close the door to check if the sensor status updates instantly in the Tapo app. That confirms your Tapo T110 Door Sensor is working perfectly again. Missed our video on TP-Link Tapo Smart Home Solutions? Check it out. The link's waiting for you in the description. And that's it. Your Tapo sensors are now powered up and ready to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StreamPod for more smart home tips.